they travel so, laughing, eating, all the fun. Tiny adventures just begun.
Yellow aeroplane. Oh, where are you going?
Korea.
What do you want to do on the holiday?
Eat. Skate. Riding is better than walking because you get a free ride.
What do you do?
So small.
They go into your nose.
Now he on the airplane. Fly with it, then you give me snack.
Good morning.
Look at the green rice.
Look at the what?
Beautiful sunrise.
Yeah. You had a good sleep. What about you?
I did like this. Mama!
Like this. This is how you sleep.
How I sleep is like this.
That's not true. That's not true. That wasn't what you were doing the whole night. You lie down, right? The clouds look like bouncy castle.
I jumped, and then I accidentally hit you. Jump, then I fall.
Yeah.
Then crash to the wall.
Yeah. That was really funny, wasn't it?
Yeah. Mama.
What do you get from the shop? A lip balm. Show me. Oh. Photobomb. Photobomb. Uh-oh. 2 photobomb.
Rainbow book.
What? Where is it?
There.
There.
It's right there.
Is it right there? Can you bring me to it?
Yeah. But you need to cross.
Okay.
Let's cross.
Is the wind very strong?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah. The wind will blow in my hair.
Do you like the feeling of it?
Yeah.
Hmm? You like the cold air in your hair?
Yeah.
Wow, what's happening? What is you?
And that was so scary. That was so slow. And this side.
You're the dolphin and JJ rides on the tortoise. The turtle. Where's JJ?
Look at that.
Standing at the edge of the cliff. Beautiful. Who's the cutie pie?
哎呀，我只认识这个，我只认识这个。
Welcome. Mysterious road starts here. Okay. So what's so mysterious about it? Sui 还是留下来嘞。A manual door. That's the mysterious part of it. Wow, look at the view. It's beautiful. Yay, there's snow. Tessa, see the snow. Up there. And you're not freezing? But Daddy's freezing.
I like it. The cold never bothered me again. Daddy's not Elsa. Daddy's is Olaf.
Olaf is not afraid of cold as well. Because he's a snowman. Let's go. Where's Thea?
Back downstairs. Let's jump on her.
Feels like Christmas. So nice. And look where's Thea. We're moving upwards. Can you feel, Tessa? We never roll back. Can you see? Then we're moving. We're actually moving. But we're on neutral gear. Look. Hi! Hello everyone! Where is Thea? Where are you sleeping tonight? Yeah? Look at the master room. So big!
I did.
Yeah, wow. An oven and a washing machine and dryer. What? There's a wine fridge. Let's put in our wine.
It's a moving.
It's a yummy bean. Birthday to you. Please and Let's wish together. Wish.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Blow the candle.
1, 2, 3.
Go.
Tessa and Thea on the go. Round the world they travel so. Laughing, eating, all the fun. Tiny adventures just begun.